Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Oceanlime here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to get better FPS on Call of Duty Mobile PC version. What you want to do is you want to go to your settings bar, you want to go to audio and graphics settings, and you want to turn your graphic quality to medium, your frame rate to medium, and turn off real-time shadow and all of the other settings. And you want to turn your BR mode graphic style to standard. This will work for BR and like regular game modes. I heard on a YouTube video it said that it's supposed to work for BR stuff, so, and like regular TDM matches stuff. So I'm pretty sure you guys are good on that. And after you've done that, you want to go to your menu bar on the top of like your game engine, and you want to go to settings, and you want to go to engine and go to OpenGL. I recommend this because any of these above are kind of like for really good computers. And you want to turn your render cache on, your enforce global render cache, and you want to turn off your anti-aliasing, turn up your memory fully, turn up your processors fully, and go to the lowest resolution and the lowest DPI. And then you want to go to your game setting and go to HD 1080p if you have like a decent computer, but if you don't, then go to 720p. And after you've done that, you're pretty much set. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.